So, good day to each and everyone. I am Kyla Joy Las from the College of Criminology 4B. So, ngayong araw matututunan natin kung ano nga ba ang mga bagay na nakakaapekto sa ating pagbaril at pagtama ng bala sa ating target. So, unahin na natin ang trajectory. So, trajectory of an object depends on factors like its initial velocity, the forces acting on it. For example, is the gravity, air resistance, and the environment through which it travels. The next one is accuracy. Accuracy refers to the degree to which a measured value, observation, or action aligns with the true or intended result. So, the higher the accuracy, the closer the result is to the truth or intended outcome. So, several factors influence the flight of a projectile, determining its trajectory, range, speed, and final position. So, overall, the flight of a projectile is influenced by a combination of its initial velocity, the angle of launch, gravity, air resistance, and environmental factors like wind and altitude. So, in overall result, makikita natin na when it comes to 10 meters, lahat ng balay tumama sa target at malalapit na ito sa bullseye. Sumunod naman ay ang 15 meters, which is tumama pa din naman ang mga bala sa target, ngunit hindi na siya kagaya sa 10 meters na halos malalapit na sa bullseye. Huli ay ang 20 meters, which is napakalayo na sa target, at since ang gamit nating baril ay pellet gun lamang, ay nakakaapekto na ito sa pagtama sa ating target at ang bala na ating ginamit ay magagaan lamang din, kung kaya't kapag humangin ay maaaring lumihis ang bala natin tungo sa target. At dahil doon, ang naging resulta ng 20 meters natin ay malalayo na kumpara sa 10 at 15 meter. So that's all. Thank you for watching.